Welcome to the historic town of Bushmills on the north coast of County Antrim. We're here at this beautiful location, the Bush River, and the accommodation we're going to take you to today is 1 minute walk from here. You are most welcome to our very first ever bed and breakfast Jim and Evelyn reviews. My name is Evelyn N.Ire and behind the camera we have the wonderful Jim Kerr. The Portcaman House Bed and Breakfast has 8 bedrooms and 1 apartment. Each bedroom has a king-size bed and ensuite, and myself and Jim stayed in the apartment where we have our own living area, kitchen and ensuite. The building itself is over 100 years old. It was originally built for the principal of a local primary school. Now the word Portcaman was the original word for Bushmills before Bushmills. And extensive renovations have been done on the property in 2019. Some of the many features that I love about Portcaman House is flexibility with check-in. Each room is ready from lunchtime and you just step through the front door. Your envelope is sitting with your name, your keys, your Wi-Fi password, and that's you. On you go. There's ample space in the rooms for work, but another great feature is that the dining room is always open. Lots of workspace, high-speed internet, and coffee and cold drinks on supply 24/7. The Portcaman House Bed and Breakfast is ideally located. 5 minutes drive to the sea, and if you fancy a little stroll, you're 2 minutes away from award-winning restaurants, cafes and the shops. The town centre is just a short walk away. Bushmills is full of history that you can visit again by foot. And if you fancy a little car journey, you are in central and prime location for top tourist attractions. The Portcaman is completed by its wonderful host Robert McCaig and the delicious breakfast that he serves up, as well as his local knowledge and wonderful hospitality. Both myself and Jim have thoroughly enjoyed our stay at the Portcaman House Bed and Breakfast, and of course our amazing host Robert has made our stay even more enjoyable. If you're looking for accommodation on the north coast of Antrim in prime location for the top tourist attractions, we highly recommend the Portcaman House Bed and Breakfast, Bushmills.